My name is Bonnie Walker, and I'm a volunteer with Health and Human Services Department here at the Red Cross. Well, of course, I've seen the Red Cross emblems, and I've seen the kind of work that they've done over the course of years. And they held a blood drive at my church. And while I was lying there on the table, I asked them about volunteering since I had recently retired. Volunteering, certainly volunteering at the Red Cross has been more than I expected. More because of the people. The staff here have just been very warm and welcoming from the very beginning, and it provides the opportunity to work with such a diverse group of people, both in terms of full-time staff here, as well as the volunteers that come from all sections of the social economic strata here in the city of Detroit and the metropolitan area. So it's a wonderful experience, as well as, of course, the different voluntary events and the way that one can be of service to the community. I would say to anyone who's undecided about volunteering at the Red Cross that it is just a fantastic experience. Since I've been volunteering, I've worked events that have placed me in environments that I've never been in. Fun environments like going to hockey games and participating in fundraising events at hockey stadiums, baseball stadiums, basketball stadiums. Those are places that I had not been before, and so they were new experiences, and I loved it. One moving experience that comes to mind is when a team of us were out in the community, and we were part of a group of providers, shall we say, that were putting on an event, information event in the community at senior citizen sort of walkathon event. And as I was standing at the table and we were demonstrating and talking about how to plan an escape route, how each home should have an escape route in terms of getting out of a fire situation. And I had a grandmother who came and told me of an event where she had had a house fire, and she had several of her grandchildren there in the house, and how distressed she was in terms of making sure that she would get all of the children out of the house, and how grateful she was to God and to the Red Cross in terms of being there for her and her grandchildren. And that was a very moving experience because it was unexpected that she would come forth and reveal that kind of information. It's just such a warm and fun place to be, and because I feel that I'm making a contribution to the Red Cross, as well as to the field of social work, because one of the things I do here is I provide field supervision to master's level social works interns who are placed here. And so it sort of means that I'm giving back to my profession as well as to the Red Cross community. My name is Bonnie Walker, and this is my Red Cross story. What will yours be?